The Larson Electronics switchboard with circuit breaker for power distribution systems is a power distribution unit that is compatible with 3-phase 480-volt AC Wye. Equipped with an open bottom configuration, the system is encased in a Type 3R enclosure. With a 3,000 amp system capacity, the switchboard with circuit breaker has a 65 kiloamp RMS short circuit rating and 4 Form C auxiliary contacts with visual contact wear indication. This unit can be securely mounted to any flat surface. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.